You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl, Chena E, coming to you live once again with another one. Okay, so basically I'm pushing out these these piggy bank sites that you can earn from real fast. Like, it's fast to earn from these sites. You just got to build your money up. But basically I want to talk to you today about Inboxpays. Okay, this is basically a free offer site. So you get paid when you complete an offer. They have free offers, food and beverage offers, as seen on TV offers, childcare offers, like, you know, clothes or whatever. They have books and financial and prepaid credit card offers, gift idea offer, everything. They basically have a lot of offers there. You can really get some money off of, and you can earn as much as you want as long as you can complete their offers. Now, if you're not an offer type person like me, then this might not be for you, but at least you get $5 for free when you sign up. So, and I think there's a minimum payout here, but it's like up to 20 bucks or 25 bucks to pay out. But definitely you can still get paid. You get free $5 when you sign up. Something they give you as an incentive to get you motivated and ready to get some more of that piggy bank money. Okay, so go ahead, follow my link down below. Where's my pen? Follow that link right there down below. Show me that love. Go ahead and get started with Inboxpays. They send you emails every single day, and they're worth money. They're worth dollars. They're worth over $1. You know, if you go to the site itself, you have some that's worth 50 cents, 45 cents, 60 cents, but they have a lot that's worth $9, $10 if you complete an offer, $25, $45. You know, so it's not piggy bank money, but it could grow. Okay, as long as you can complete offers, you'll be fine. Okay, and they're very legit. They do pay out. I got my $5. I got my $5. So, y'all go ahead, follow my link here. You can also join their awesome affiliate program. I think it's like $5 per referral as well. So you go ahead and get that started. You never know what can come of this if you put your mind to it, especially with the affiliate program. That's what I do. I'm not too big on offers, but like I said, if you are, go ahead, follow the link below. This is a legit site. Make that piggy bank money. And remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl, Chena E, out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So stay tuned. Follow me, like me, subscribe to me. There's always more in store for you guys. Follow me in the next video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
You know that's right.